Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you guys how to edit an invitation card in Microsoft Word. So first go to Microsoft Word and open your Word document. Then go to File and click on New. And here you can search for an invitation card or type in the search bar invitation. Then hit the search icon. Now here you have multiple templates to choose from. Let's select one of them. This one, for example. Click on it. Then here, click on Create. Now, as you can see, you can edit your invitation card. You can select or click on a text to edit it or to change it. In this invitation card, for example, you can change the date, the time, the place, um, the phone number, the title, and you can also add a description. And you can go to insert and click on pictures to insert a picture from your computer, or click on online pictures to insert an online picture. You can add some shapes, icons, 3D models, and so on. You can use the drawing tools, change the design of your card, change the layout. You can also select an icon like this one, for example, and go to format. And here you can change the shape style, word art style, and use the arrange tools to arrange your icon. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.